video conferencing isn't for everyone, and if the idea of doing live lessons or walkthroughs is a bit daunting, you might like to try pre-recording your lessons instead. I'm going to show you how to use Loom, which is a great program, and it works on Mac and PC for pre-recording any video lessons or video tutorials that you like. Go to loom.com and you can either download a desktop version, or if you're using Chrome browser, you can add it as an extension. I've added it as an extension. If you come across, I can click on the new video button and it's going to give me 3 different options. I can do screen and camera, screen only, or camera only, and I can see as well my face down in the bottom corner, and it's checking my microphone for me as well. So let's do an example of camera only and I'll show you what it looks like. Click start recording. It gives you a great countdown like this so you get some notice. And you can see as well down here that there is a finish button, but also a pause button if you need to stop, maybe read something or take a breath. So when I finish recording my video, I simply click the finish recording button and it takes me to this page here. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour. First thing I'm going to do is give my video a title. And if I come up here, I can see a copy link button. So I can copy that and stick that to my Google Classroom or my Microsoft Teams page. If you're at a school that doesn't like using third-party software, you've got another option. You can come down here and download the video. That enables you to drag it across to your desktop, and then you can move it into your Google Drive and link to your Google Classroom that way. So I'll show you how to do that. I'm just going to grab it and pop it over here, and I'm going to add that to my Google Drive later. If I come back here, I can see link sharing. There's different options. I can make it public or just with certain people, and I can even password it if I want to do that as well. Keep coming down, and there's some other editing software. If you want to maybe trim your video, you can have a play with those as well. Okay, so if I come back to my home page, I can see that my video is there, and let's have a go at making another one. This time we're going to do screen only and start recording. Again, it's going to give me a countdown, and it tells me that it's recording my screen too, which is really great, just a reminder in case you forget. And when I'm directing kids, I can show them perhaps walk through a lesson or something that I want them to look at. It might be a Google slide or an artwork in this case. When I finish recording, I click the tick again, and it takes me back to this page so I can go through and label my video. So this one might be screencast art. And I can either use the link or download as I did before. Now I mentioned if you don't want to use the Loom link, you can download your videos, and I've dragged mine onto the desktop, and it's super easy. I can then put it into my Google Drive. And then when I go across to my Google Classroom, this is an art assignment that I've set, I can then add that video really easily through Google Drive, and I can see if I go to subjects, art, fingers crossed that video is finished downloading. There it is, introduction, and I can attach that to the lesson for the day. So that might be your little introduction that you do at the start of each lesson, telling kids what to do. That's a very quick overview of how to use Loom to pre-record your videos. If you'd like any more information on learning from home, please head to our website. We've got lots of videos on using Office 365, Google Apps for Education, and some different platforms for video conferencing.